When I started my channel, I made all the classics up front, and in hindsight, I wish I didn't. I have since dialed in my production value, my flow, and ultimately my recipes. And today's drink is no exception, as it's one of my favorite cocktails of all time. So for today, I'm making you the Sidecar. This simple classic cognac cocktail is almost guaranteed to be one of your favorites too, if you just trust me on this. And if you've already had one, I'm sure you know what I mean. There's a number of variants you can make with this drink, but ultimately, it all comes down to the original. And if you enjoy these short and to the point cocktail videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a ton. So with that said, let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, you'll need a cognac, an orange liqueur, I'm using this royal orange, and fresh squeezed lemon juice. I've already taken the liberty of freshly squeezing my lemon juice, so I can skip that step. And the tools you need for this drink are a shaker set, a fruit squeezer, and a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar, as well as in this cocktail, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, add in 2 ounces of cognac. Now it's time to add in 1 ounce of orange liqueur. And lastly, 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. And strain everything into that chilled coupe glass. And there you have it, the Sidecar. Cheers. Something I always enjoy about this drink, and I know people might disagree, but it gives off a nice appley taste. It's what I taste, so no judgment. I'm sure the cognac I use could be better, but regardless, the drink is what it is for me. I love apple, and so having a drink that reminds me of apple is just fantastic. The cognac, the orange liqueur, the fresh squeezed lemon, those 3 ingredients just do so well together. I wonder what this drink would taste like with egg whites. I'm not sure if I'll do it, but it might make for a fun video. Let me know in the comments, should I add egg whites to this drink and test it out? Also, I want to know what your thoughts are on this cocktail as well. Do you love it? Do you hate it? If you haven't tried it, will you try it? And additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a ton. But until next time, cheers.